Hi everyone, welcome back to Yoga with Ramoni. This is day 8 of our 10 for 10 yoga challenge. 10 minutes of yoga for 10 days. Let's get started in a tabletop position. Round your spine, coming into your cat pose, tucking your chin in towards your chest. And now arch your back for cow pose, looking up at the ceiling. Come back into your cat pose, shifting your hips towards your heels. And now cow pose, shift your body forward as you arch your back. Let's do that one more time. Back to your neutral tabletop, relax your spine. Curl your toes under and send your hips up for downward facing dog as you pedal the legs out, just bending and straightening. Straighten both legs as you rise up high on your tippy toes. And now you melt the heels back down. Again, come up high on the toes. And melt the heels down towards your mat. One more time, come up on the toes, bend your knees as you look forward and step to the top of your mat. Forward fold. Halfway lift, lengthen your spine, hands to shins, looking down, back is flat, forward fold. Come to standing, sweeping your arms overhead for mountain pose, reaching up, and hands to heart center, take a deep breath. Again, mountain pose, sweep your arms up overhead. Open arm twist to the right, send your right arm behind you, left arm in front. Option to look back at that right hand. Back to mountain pose, open arm twist to the left. Make sure your hips are still squared to the front. Come back into your mountain pose for baby back bend. Cactus your arms, looking up at the ceiling. And back to our mountain pose. Forward fold, hinge at your hips. Halfway lift. High plank, plant your palms as you step your feet back, looking down, engaging the core and breathing here. And back to your downward facing dog. Come up high on the toes as you bend your knees, stepping to the top of your mat, forward fold. Halfway lift, forward fold. Mountain pose, reaching up, open arm twist to the right. Mountain pose, open arm twist to the left. Mountain pose, baby back bend. Mountain pose and forward fold. Halfway lift, high plank. And come back into your down dog. Take a deep breath. Come up high on the toes, bend your knees, step to the top of your mat. Halfway lift. Forward fold. Chair pose, sink your hips deep, sweep your arms overhead. Forward fold. Halfway lift, high plank. Lower down onto your knees. And slowly lower down onto your belly, coming into a baby cobra, lifting your chest a few inches off the mat. And back into your downward facing dog. Send your right leg high for three-legged dog as you flex the toes down, pressing the heel up. Step your right foot forward for warrior one as you spin your back heel down and lift your arms. Make sure your hips are squared to the front. Lower your hands back down, come into your high plank. Shift forward 2 inches as you lower down onto your belly for upward facing dog with hips, knees, and thighs off the mat. And downward facing dog. Left leg lifts for your three-legged dog, flexing the toes. Step your left foot forward, coming into your warrior one. You spin that back heel down, lift the arms. Come into your high plank. Shift forward 2 inches, lower down onto the belly for your upward facing dog, looking up, and downward facing dog. Let's come up high on the tippy toes, bend your knees, step to the top of your mat, halfway lift, and forward fold. Chair pose, sink your hips deep. Flying chair, send the arms behind you, pinkies are facing up, and you have the option to come up on the toes, lifting the heels. Lower your heels, lift your arms, and forward fold. Halfway lift, high plank. Go through your upward facing dog and your downward facing dog. Send your right leg high, three-legged dog. Step the foot forward, coming straight into your warrior one, lift the arms. Clasp your hands behind you as you look up at the ceiling and you lean your upper body forward for humble warrior. So you're right over that front knee. Come into your high plank. Back to downward facing dog as you send your left leg high, three-legged dog. Step the foot forward for your warrior one. Clasp your hands behind you for your humble warrior. Come into your high plank and we hold it. Lower down onto your belly. Come into your upward facing dog. And child's pose, sit your hips back onto your heels as you take a few deep breaths. Let's come up and have a seat with our legs straight out in front of us. Reach your arms up overhead and forward fold. Let's come into a cross-legged position and take some seated cat-cows. You can place your hands on your knees as you arch your back, looking up. And now round your spine, tucking your chin in towards your chest, maybe straightening the arms. Again, seated cow pose, arch the back. And seated cat pose. And you can relax as you bring your hands to heart center, taking a deep breath in through your nose. Let it out through your mouth. Thank you for practicing with me today. Everything that you need is on the screen and in the description box below, including live longer classes that I teach outside of YouTube. Make sure you like this video, subscribe for more classes, and I'll see you in the next one.